Dear friends, following are the examples. We have taken 3 examples here for understanding purpose. Now, in multiplication already we learned understand numerator to numerator multiplication, denominator to denominator. But what happens? What happens in division? Division here, division is the nothing. Division is nothing, but that is the multiplication of opposite, you can say multiplicative, inverse of, you can say divisor. Now here is the divisor 1 by 4. 3 divided by 1 by 4. That means it is division is nothing but that is the multiplication of multiplicative inverse of divisor. Here divisor is 1 by 4. So what you have to do in next step? 3 as it is, you have to write 3. And multiplication, division is nothing but the multiplication of multiplicative inverse of divisor. Here divisor is 1 by 4. So multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. You have to do inverse, understand? Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That is called multiplicative inverse. Just like you can say multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4's multiplicative inverse is minus 4 by 1. Multiplicative of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Such a way these are the multiplicative inverse, understand? I mean numerator becomes, you can denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Such a way now. Here now 3 multiply 4 by 1. 3 means 3 by 1. Already we learned if there is integer, it has in multiplication 1 as well as in, you can denominator 1. So such a way we can write here 4 by 1. Here numerator to numerator 3 multiply by 4. Here 1 multiply by 1. Here 3 multiply by 4 is 12. And 1 multiplied by 1 and 12 divided by 1, that means 12 is the answer. Such a way you have to solve here. Now let us go to the second example. Now here 4 by 5 divided by 4. Now as it is 4 by 5 should be as it is, understand? But division is nothing but that is the multiplication of multiplicative inverse of the divisor. Here divisor is 4. So what is the multiplication of 4? 1 by 4, because already we have told numerator becomes denominator. Here numerator is 4, it becomes denominator, and as here is 1, that means 1 goes upward, understand? Now here write down 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. Now 4 on ja 4 and 4 5 ja 20. Such a way you have to write. Now what about here? As there is a provision of reducing form, if there is a possibility of reducing, you have to reduce it. Now act or apply the divisible test here. How we can divide them? 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Now reduce form, understand? We have to divide numerator as well as denominator by 4, understand? So instead of 4 there is 1, and instead of 20 we have got, you can quotient, that is 5. That is our answer is 1 by 5. Such a way you can do it, understand? Let us go to example number 3 now. What is here now? Here 3 by 4 should be as it is. Now here division means that is the multiplication of multiplicative inverse of divisor. Here divisor is 2 by 6. That is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 6 is 6 by 2. Now as it is, already we learned about, you can say, multiplication. That is the numerator to numerator, denominator multiplication. 3 multiplied by 6, that is very simple. And 4 multiplied by 2. Now do it. Now here you can write here 3 multiplied by 6, 18. Now 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Now if there is a possibility of reducing, or if there is, you can say, you can apply the divisible test up to 3, just like, means that is reducing form. Means you have to divide numerator as well divider, you can numerator as well as you can denominator by the same number. That is called reducing, understand? Here you can write in such a way, just like 8. Simply understand. If you can say 2 divided by 2, both the sides are divided by 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. Now 9 divided by 4, again it cannot, you can say, completely divided by a single number, any number. Now here 9 divided by 4, you have to do it 4 2s are 8, means remainder is 1 and the denominator is 4. Now you can say it is a mixed number in the form of, you can say, fraction, understand? 2 integers 1 by 4 is the answer.